Let's print this code. We'll get the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 10. Now, if we want to swap the values of a and b, we can simply say b equals to a, and if we log the value of b now, the value of b becomes the value of a, that is 5. But now, if we want to get the value of b inside the value of a, we cannot swap because the old value of b is lost as we have already made the value of b equal to the value of a. To counter this problem, we'll store the old value of b in another variable, let's say c. Now, the old value of b is preserved. If we now assign the value of a in b, we still have the old value of b preserved in variable c. Now, if we print the values of a and b again after swapping, we can see the values are swapped.